You want to be ahead of 99% of people? Then stop relying on luck. Stop waiting for motivation. It all comes down to one thing: your habits. Because successful people don't become successful by accident. They build it day by day, habit by habit. And in this video, I'm giving you 3 powerful steps to build habits that can transform your health, your wealth, your relationships, and your future. The last step is going to be valuable information that you will ever hear. Step 1. Don't focus on goals. Focus on the system. Let's get this straight. Goals are not what separates the winners from the losers. Both the losers and winners have the same goal. For an example, every athlete wants to win. Every student wants to pass. Every entrepreneur wants to succeed. But not everyone has a system to get there. If you want a strong, muscular body, that's your goal. But if your system is inconsistent workouts, poor sleep, and junk food, then guess what? That goal stays a fantasy. A system is your daily habits. It's your routine. It's what you do even when you don't feel like it. It's not glamorous, but it works. If you focus on your system, your goals become a reality. To build a system, this next step is essential. Make the environment appealing. Believe me or not, but we are more influenced by the environment than our willpower or motivation. It's very hard to be positive in a negative environment. With the help of environment, you can easily build or break habit. If you want to build a habit of reading books, surround your room with books. Make it easily available in your sight so that whenever you see it, you become conscious about it and take action. But if you want to break a bad habit like using social media, delete social media in your phone to make it less appealing. Surround yourself with friends having the same goals as you, or surround yourself with things that help you reach your goal. Last step, make your habits satisfying and worthwhile. From the book Atomic Habit by James Clear, it is described that habits work on the principle of 4 steps. It is cue, craving, response, and reward. This 4-step process is not something that happens occasionally, but rather it is endless feedback loop that is running and active during every moment you are alive. Reward plays essential role in building habit. If you get rewarded by doing any habit, then you would be likely to perform the same habit more and more. It means that you have to reward yourself after doing some habits and make it more satisfying. This process will help you build strong habits throughout your journey. At last, building great habits requires patience and consistency. We often expect the progress of habits to be linear, but in reality, the result of our efforts are often delayed. At first, we see no results of habit. In this situation, we are often disappointed. It is not until months or years later we realize the true value of previous work we have done. So I advise all my viewers to stay consistent and committed to their habit. I hope for your best.